What's up, everybody? So these are the heavy duty brackets that I've installed on this 16-foot shelf. We've used 5 in total, and combined it should hold about 5 times 150 pounds. This is my outdoor workshop here that I've created this weekend, and I'm going to show you what kind of heavy duty brackets you probably want to consider getting. Now, these ones go this way and the other way, and then they are very, very thick steel, and I'm happy to say and report that they have passed the test. So today I'm going to just basically show you and talk about these. Stay tuned for the whole video. So these are the super heavy duty hangers. Now you can hang these with a shelf going on top, or you can place the shelf on top of this like this. If you have a thick enough shelf, you won't even see that. Now this gets screwed in to your wood, concrete, drywall. They've provided you with these wall anchors. These are actually pretty heavy duty themselves. You also have these pegs for concrete. They also give you a really handy dandy level here, which is kind of nice. You put this on here and then you can see if it's plumb or not. In terms of screws, black screws, 4 go on each of these, and these little ones right here are for the 2 for the shelves, and they go underneath. Each one of these holds about 150 pounds, so you could use these to create seatings, benches as well. So in terms of the strength test, they do claim 150 to 160 pounds. I weigh 188 pounds, so let's see if I can stand on in between and see if it bends. It should bend, or at least it shouldn't break. Like, I'm just gonna put all my weight on here, and let's see if it bent it. It didn't bend it, so that means that it can support more than 160 pounds. They just claim that just to be sure. But yeah, it's a very thick gauge, as you can tell. So we have a 16-foot shelf running here. This one's gonna have more of the heaviest stuff. The bottom one, maybe I'll get more brackets, but basically we get 6 out of this box. So we're gonna be putting 6 on here. Now, each one does hold 150, as they said or claimed. So this one, you can see that it's a little lower, so we're gonna put this one and brace this in the center. But you wanna make sure that you do have studs, right? So put these on the studs. If not, you can use the drywall anchors. I would say as long as you don't have more than like 20-30 pounds, you should be kind of okay, you know, with this span. But if you have a very long span like I do, you definitely want to have them. So I'm going to show you. So I put one on the connecting one here. I put one over here as well. And again, you can see that they're all right here on the studs. And then this one is still coming down, but I'm going to take this one and I'm going to stick this right here because we have our connecting joint here. And then we're just going to jack this up, and it's going to raise it about a ½ inch when we place this down. And then we're going to put one at the end. So these brackets are available in different sizes, all the way to 12-inch lengths, and are also available in black or white colors, depending on what you like. So in the end, these are super durable outdoor, indoor use. It definitely helped me out for my big shelves. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.